In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Oanda to MT4. Before we jump into the platform, make sure you have three things ready from your Oanda account: your MT4 login ID, your MT4 password, and the exact server name assigned to you, such as a live or demo server. You can find all of these in your Oanda dashboard, often called the hub. It's important to note that your MT4 login and password are specific to MetaTrader and may be different from your general Oanda website credentials, so double-check you're using the right ones. Let's start by getting MetaTrader 4 onto your PC. Download and install MT4 using the official installer, then open the platform. When MT4 launches for the first time, you'll see the main workspace with charts and a menu bar at the top. Next, open the login window. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Login to Trade Account. A small window will appear asking for your details. In the Login field, type your MT4 account number exactly as shown in your Oanda hub. In the Password field, enter your MT4 password. It's case-sensitive, so watch for extra spaces or caps lock. For the server, open the dropdown and select the specific Oanda server assigned to you, making sure it matches live or demo based on your account type. When everything looks correct, click Login. If you don't see your Oanda server in the list, that's a common and easy fix. Go back to File and click Open an Account. In the window that appears, click the plus icon to add a broker, then type Oanda. MT4 will search and display available Oanda servers. Select your exact live or demo server from the list. This action refreshes the server list inside MT4, so once that's done, return to Login to Trade Account and try signing in again with the same details. To confirm you're connected, look at the bottom right corner of MT4. You should see connection bars turning active, typically with green indicating data flow. You'll also notice your account balance populate in the terminal window and the charts begin updating in real time. If those are visible, you're in. If you still can't connect, carefully recheck that the login number, password, and server name match what's in your Oanda hub. Using a live login on a demo server or vice versa will block access. A quick restart of MT4 after refreshing servers can also help if the list didn't update immediately. That's it. Your Oanda account is now added to MT4 and ready for trading.